about how can you verify or change your email on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You scrolling down here until you will find settings, just click on it. When you click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on account info here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you here. So you just waiting to open with you. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here email address. Click in this sign. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you like this. And here can you enter your new email here. Click on change email. Then it's going to change with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.